Hello kids. In today's class we are going to see the subject maths. Already we saw the addition. So now in today's class we are going to see the subtraction. So for the first time you are going to see the subtraction. And also today we will learn the simple subtraction first. And this is the symbol of subtraction. Okay, let's start the class. Now we are going to subtract using original things. We have 4 things here. So we have to subtract, that is we have to take out 2 from these things. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So already we have 4 toys and we have to take 2 toys from this. So 1, 2. Now I subtracted 2 from the toys. What will I get remaining? Yes, only 2 toys left. So the answer is 2. So 4 subtract 2 is 2. Now I am having some colorful markers. So I am having 8 markers here. Now I am having 8 markers. I have to take out 3 markers from here. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So I am having 8 markers here. How much will I subtract? Yes, we have to take 3 from it. 1, 2 and 3. So I was subtracted 3 markers from out of 8 markers. So what will I get remaining? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I get 5 markers now. So 8 minus 3 is 5. So likewise you can subtract. Already we saw the original things method. So now we are going to see the backward counting method. So 16 minus 2. What will we get the answer? So we have to count in backwards, that is before number. So what will come before? So we have to draw 2 circles here. What will come before 16? Yes, 15. Then what will come before 15? Yes, 14. So what is the answer? 16 before 2 is 14. So 16 minus 2 is 14. So you can also do the subtraction by counting backward. Now we are going to see the subtraction on the number line. Already we seen the addition on the number line. So now we can also subtract the things using number line. So here, what is the number given? Yes, 7. So where is 7 in the number line? Yes, it is here. You have to mark here. And minus 3. Yes. So you have to backward counting 3. 1, 2 and 3. So what is the number here? Yes, 4. So 7 minus 3 is 4. You will get the answer 4. Now we are going to do the activity for subtraction. For that you have to draw a box like this and also have some, so need some 1 rupee coins. So now let's subtract one number. So 6 minus 2. So you have to place 6 coins in the box. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 coins in the box. So you have to take 2 coins from that. 1, 2. So you are less 2 coins from 6 coins. So what is the remaining? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the 4 coins is the answer. 6 minus 2 is 4. Now we are going to do with 9 minus 3. So you have to place 9 coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So you have to take how many coins? Yes, 3 coins from this. So 1, 2, 3. So I took 3 coins out of 9 coins. So how many is remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 9 minus 3 is 6. So this is the answer. You can do in your home with this simple trick. So try the activity at your home and do the subtraction. It will be easier for you. So ma'am will meet you in the next session. Thank you all. Bye.